Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Viainvest, found at viainvest.com, is a peer-to-peer lending platform that facilitates loans for various purposes, from business expansion to personal needs. It connects borrowers seeking funding with investors looking for opportunities to earn interest on their capital. One of the key features of Viainvest is its relatively low entry barrier, allowing individuals to start investing with modest sums. This accessibility makes it an appealing option for those new to P2P lending or those with limited capital to deploy. The platform boasts a streamlined user interface, designed for ease of navigation and investment management. This user-friendly design simplifies the process of selecting loans and monitoring their performance. Viainvest offers a diverse range of loan types, allowing investors to diversify their portfolios and potentially mitigate risk. This diversification can be a crucial strategy for balancing returns and managing potential losses. Transparency is a cornerstone of Viainvest's operations, with detailed information provided on each loan and borrower. This empowers investors to make informed decisions based on the available data. Furthermore, Viainvest implements a buyback guarantee on certain loans, providing an added layer of security for investors. This guarantee can help mitigate losses in the event of borrower default. However, it's important to remember that while a buyback guarantee offers some protection, it's not a foolproof safeguard against all potential risks. The platform also provides tools and resources to help investors analyze loans and make informed investment choices. These resources can be valuable for both novice and experienced investors. Before investing, it's always recommended to conduct your own thorough research and due diligence. Understanding the risks associated with P2P lending is paramount to making sound investment decisions. Viainvest provides a platform for connecting borrowers and investors, but the ultimate responsibility for investment choices rests with the individual investor. While Viainvest offers several attractive features, such as its user-friendly interface and diverse loan options, it's crucial to carefully consider your own investment goals and risk tolerance before committing any funds. Remember, past performance is not indicative of future results, and all investments carry inherent risks.